We are pioneering our way through a technological age this world has never seen. We are often being controlled by our technology, and eventually we don't even realize how much of our lives we've been run by our devices. We are receiving notifications or texts that make our thoughts drift off to somewhere we weren't intending or planning on. If you swipe on that notification, then you're spending time on somewhere that you didn't necessarily plan. For social media, every website has a goal to take our attention. They want your time and, of course, in some way, your money. They need to figure out how your mind works to figure out how to get your attention. For example, on YouTube, there are autoplay videos after each chosen video. Because they want as much of your attention as they can get, they'll even make the videos get more and more intense to keep you watching longer. Snapchat is the #1 way that teenagers communicate in the United States today. A way to keep teens on the app is Snap Streaks, because if you have 120 days in a row, you don't want to break the streak. Teens will even give their accounts to friends to keep their streaks up. There are a lot of problems with this, and the biggest is that these aren't even real conversations. This may make you upset, but that is the attention social media also wants. You're likely to share that outrage on a social media portal, and that will get a lot of attention from people who are now spending more time on social media reading your post. Posts like these get more attraction than calm or positive posts. This is all important because it's changing our communication in our relationships. Almost 2.5 billion people own their own smartphone. Specific targeted audiences are those who are most susceptible, and the people behind it have money involved and have figured out ways to target everyone in many ways. The computational systems created can tell your emotions, and even if you're lying. These computer platforms decide on what 1 billion people see every day. These computers decide what to recommend to you. They can decide which criminal will most likely commit crime again, which bridge will most likely fall, what cars can get to run over people because they're programmed, and all these are algorithms. They can detect if you're lying, like I said, and these can detect credit card fraud, they can beat humans in chess, they can detect people's faces. The systems intake all the data that you give. This is why Facebook tries to collect as much information as it can about you so that these algorithms work better. The system's algorithms figure out what to show you on your feed. This can be a problem because by now we all don't know if we're seeing the same things. I noticed that over 500 friends on my Facebook, but I only see 300 people every day according to the algorithms. I wonder how many of my friends actually see what I'm posting. Computational systems can infer things about you even if you have given no apparent information like your sexual orientation, personality, or political position. We're being targeted in ways that we don't understand, and we all are being targeted differently. It's really hard to control and regulate these things as well because there are billions of users and billions of ads, including private posts, created and seen every day. All of your personal data goes into the machine learning algorithms, and these algorithms are getting so complex that even programmers don't understand how they are operating.